we are going to start this diesel engine for this pump for the watering.
Floor drainage.
So you are going to drain this water?
The floor drainage.
Okay, the floor drainage. Wow, here is this span floor drainage, and now after that they will fill the water again. Here is. Okay, so he's filling the water here, so the pump will start. They put the ceiling in the front of the pump because of the dirt of the sand water is coming. So initially they stop it, so they drain that water. When the clean water is start, after that this is start to refilling. So if you are planning to do the cemented fish pan business, so that the work you have to do every day. If you have that open area, open environment, and if you have any enough space, because the water you have to every day change. That sand is coming from the well, but it is good also. They are cleaning here, so the fishes go over there. Of course, they are scared. The fish is here, you see. And you have to do very carefully stepping in the pan. So sliding, because the fish is small, it can be hurt. If you see the water color is black, that is called the water which have already the waste of the fish, so it must be changed. That is the most important part. So the waste is going here in the drain and going to the rice field. This one is going to be full almost, and the overflow will fill this place, this area. Wow, water has become so clean. Perfect. This cleaning you have to do every day.
Alternate. Every other day.
Okay, like a 1 day gap or 2 day gap like that. I see. Okay. Wow, very good.
Because the consumption of the fuel.
Yes, of course. Because the diesel is also. So he is also preparing. What he preparing, that man?
Preparing to transfer the big one.
Okay, so.
Preparing for the grow.
Okay, the big is going to be transferred over there.
We put probably 10,000 pieces of fingerling.
10,000 over there.
Water.
Perfect. So that is the thing. This job you have to do like 1 day or 2 day or 3 day later. Okay. And this one is also same. But it's really very good. Hard work but fruitful. Very, very good. Yes, now I not feel the smell.
No.
Is the water is
No.
the water
The
is
ammonia.
clean.